Good day to you, my friends. My name is Vanessa Hong. I work in Shenzhen HTL Technology. We are a one-stop dental solution provider. We provide not only the abutment, we also provide the whole integrated solutions for the clinics and also for the especially for dental laboratories. Today I would like to present to our showroom that includes the abutment, 3D printers and also the milling machine. This is our milling machine. The old version is T4, that is 4-axis milling machine to process the mill blanks. Is 1 mill for good. It means it's a linkless milling that without manual grinding after the mill, so it allows the users to have rapid turnover in the abutment solutions. In this case, the practitioners, the laboratory users, they can cut the crown directly with the data of the abutment. In this case, it shortens the time of the professor's making process. And this is our 3D printers. From the right hand side, that is the smallest one, table machine, that is a D120. It prints the tissue, soft tissue, pilot guide and also the temporary crown. And the bigger one is the 140. It prints the temporary crown. The biggest one is 4K 280. It has the industry grade formation size. Each time you can print like 12 pieces of full arc models. And the middle one is L190. Is the best of the best, even in a global view. It has a big formation size and has excellent resolutions. In this case, the printed models comes with a perfect surface, super good, very beautiful. And the last one is L140. It's a little bit smaller, but also with 14 and 14.4 centimeter formation size. It's also quick. It has the perfect surface after the printing, and the other ones of our 3D printers are rapid, high precision, and with great accuracy, easy to use, especially not difficult. You just plug and play, because the for our philosophy we set each printer for one product. In this case, there's no need to adjust the parameters of each machine, so it's pretty easy to manage to print the task. And this is our abutment solutions, including, for example, multi-unit locators, and this is tie base. Tie base, now we have straight tie base, and we are developing the angulated tie base. Next month it will be available for the restorations. And this is our print mill blinds. Our print mill blinds has MSI core and arm holder. One item with two modes that allows the print mill blinds are working with the different machines. And this is our digital items, scan body, 3D analogs. And this category is AIO system, all-in-one abutment. It is for clinic usage that allows the doctors to make impression or intraoral scanning to start a digital restoration workflow. So hope to cooperate with you very soon. and feel free to leave your comment and inquire the catalog. Thank you so much.